And welcome friends to today I'm going to make a correct tutorial on how to do this darknet training or this detection in Colab using Android. As you can see, I'm using only Android phone, and this is the app. Okay, this app is being used. Okay, so this app is being used, so you just open it, you will be taken to this interface of this app, and now you can start using it. So now what you have to do is you have to get here. So this is an wonderful app, so you can use all sorts of things, such as if you want new notebook, no, so you can also import a file, I think so. Okay, you can open a notebook and you can just start to upload it. You can just get here, choose a file. Okay, so I don't think that capability is available here, or you can choose it from the Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive, it will be okay, so no problem with anything. Okay, so let me choose this now. Okay, right, so it is being loaded. It is just a normal notebook. So how to compile darknet with GPU using Android phone? I am not just fooling you guys. So this is an Android phone. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I will show you now what kind of graphic card I'm using and all those things. So you have to go here, go to this change runtime and just save it as GPU, and this should be connected to the hosted runtime automatically. Okay, so after that, now I have given all those things. You can also see the browser folder, file browser folder. So no content is given over there. Okay, so now what you have to do is, first you have to check the type of graphic card they have given for you this session. Okay, so let's check it. So I think the net is very slow. Okay, not this one. Let me check it. Okay, right, so they have given you probably another Tesla T4. So let me check it. Yes, we are lucky to have Tesla T4, as you can see from here. Okay, we have a Tesla T4 15 GB. And now what you can do is you can git clone this repo, and it has been git cloned. And now what you can do is you can get into the CD darknet, and there is only one thing you have to do. So you could not make file. Okay, for example, you just get into this file browser now. Actually, you go to this darknet, you can view this. There is no problem with that. You just double click it, it will be showing. Okay, but you must not edit it over here. If you edit it, it will actually show some errors. Okay, and also if you want to tweak some things, it will show some errors. So I'm just making another command. So let me go to the clipboard. So turn on clipboard. Where is it? Turn on clipboard. So not this Gboard or something. Tab to not this one. So probably I just made a wonderful copy. So let me show you. Just go here. I'll go to my text editor. Okay, and in there I have a set of commands. So let me show you. So just copy these commands. Okay, I'll give you these commands below. Don't try to make these files with editing in the Android Colab, because it is not subject to any kind of no such directory. Okay, we are already in the darknet. So if you want to check, you can put exclamation and ls. Okay, ls and LA, not LS. Okay, and just click it. So you are in it. So now what you have to do is you are seeing this make file now, so you have to change some things. So this is the correct way of doing. If you do like this, there will be no error. If you just start to change it now, or you download, because you need a very good Vim editor. Okay, if everything goes correct, this should be done. So let me run this. So it will not run. The reason why is I have not given the exclamation mark. So give the exclamation mark for each and everything. Okay, oh no, okay, give the exclamation. I prefer to do it on Android because I'm going to do a separate video on how to train it with Android. So this is really a fun stuff. Okay, so it has been done. Okay, now the GPU 0 should be changed to 1 and all those things. So in the file browser, and don't try to disturb it, because what is this make fill? I don't know what is this make fill. I don't know. Okay, no problem. So let's see. Okay, everything has been changed now, but you shouldn't keep your hand on this editor because it may show some error. So if everything goes correct, now what you have to do is you have to make it when you are inside it. Oh my god, it's working. It's wonderful that we have accessed this, and CUDA is now accessible. If you want to change the architecture also, you can give this set command. Okay, you can give this set command and run it. Okay, you can give this set command and run it. So this is really a wonderful one. So yes, now if everything's correct, I should check it. Okay, the gen code is 30, but you have to give for Tesla T4 it is 75. Okay, so okay, every package is being installed, only warnings are being included. Okay, that's great. Now what you have to do is you have to check it. You have to give this function as darknet, 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 and just run it. It will not run because you have to give an exclamation before that. Okay, so just keep it, run it. If it just says usage darknet, then it's good to go. Then if you want to make a Python wrapper, what you have to do is you have to just set ls. Okay, and what I will tell you what to do to make a Python wrapper. Okay, and just run this. So you have to copy this libner.net.so into this Python folder. Okay, then everything is good to go. You will have a Python wrapper that you can automate darknet in Python. Okay, so you have to use this command to take from this here to there. Okay, when I just do it, so there is no such file or something. So it just says because it could not detect it, but actually it is inside as a hidden file. If you do it a compilation in a local system, it will surely show up. You can use it for a Python wrapper. So this is how you have to correctly compile it. In morning I have made some videos which are sometimes wrong, I think so, because I was not telling you. Actually, don't try to make it, use these commands. If you want to change the architecture and all those things, no, you just use these commands. If you use this set command, you can actually compile it very easily. Okay, so this is the proper way of handling editors. Okay, because it doesn't come with the editor, you have to handle it very correctly. Android with Colab. So the next thing would be putting a training on a Colab. Okay, so put it in a drive and start training it. So thank you, friends. It is about 667 videos of mine in my channel, and your support was really very great. Okay, and I really appreciate all your love, and you have appreciated my hard work also. Thank you. So please support me, tell to your friends. So we will just be making collab on Android. Even Apple has made a wonderful idea of making collab on Android, because putting a system for a long time is not a good idea. It will affect the system performance and also its life. So we should be able to run it on Android. So I will tell you some beautiful commands to run it on Android. So the next video will be putting training and downloading the weights on Android. So thank you, have fun. Please like, share and subscribe and support me. Thank you. And I will give you the link of this app which I showed you. This app is actually available in Android. Okay, so you all can download it. So it is Mr. DWatt has made a wonderful thing, and the reviews was very wonderful. Okay, the reviews were very wonderful, and it's starting to use it. So there is also a Google Colab View Productivity. Okay, I don't know this is a workable app or something, but the only workable thing is this app, which has 10k subscribers, which is working perfectly and good. So okay, I'll give you the link. So let me copy this link and give it to you. So thank you. Please like, share and support.